Hey everybody, and Alnisa's back, and I actually have some really good news to report. I went to my mailbox and okay, so this is the envelope. I want to protect everybody's info, and I got another payment from one of my flyers. This is called the Jackson's flyer, and that's the $100 flyer, right? So I'm going to take it out of the envelope. Now y'all see me doing this, right? Okay, take it out. Okay. Hold on, because she folded it. I want to make sure that I show you the money. Okay. I'm trying to keep her info hidden here. Alright. Turn it this way. Okay. So this is the Jackson's flyer, right? This is the $100 flyer. And I'm going to fold that this way. And there's the money. Just so you see it. Okay. Jackson's flyer. Okay. Put that over there. And you got it. 50, 20, and 2 5s. So there you go. There's 80. All right. 80 bucks. And all I did was mail this flyer out. That's all I did, right? To my mailing list, and then people responded. Now, I think I probably did this maybe a couple weeks ago, and now the money's starting to come in now because people are seeing the flyers, they see the opportunity, and they're responding. Now, like I said before, direct mail is a booming business. People want ways to earn extra cash. They're tired of struggling, trying to figure out where they're going to get extra money from. And now, kids are back in school. The holidays will be here, in less than 3 months. It's already like September. Can't believe it. Summer is gone. So, in the last quarter of the year is when you get an influx of cash throughout the economy. So you have to get in, with direct mail and get your piece of it. So I'm not going to make this a long video. I'm going to keep it nice and short. So if you want, to get your piece of the pie, right? You want to get your piece of the pie? Contact me and I'll get you these flyers. And so then your name could be on the flyer, right? And then you could start collecting some funds. So with that, I will catch you guys later, because I'll be making videos quite often like I do. I caught that YouTube bug. But what I want you to do is like, the video, subscribe to the channel, and with that, I'll catch you guys later. Okay? All right. Peace and blessings.